They call you a late bloomer as if it's a bad thing. But what if you're not too late? What if everyone else just settled too early? Here's the truth. Starting later doesn't mean that you are behind. Rather, it means that you've gained wisdom. Yes, you've made mistakes, but you've also healed from them and you've figured out and learned what actually matters. And you're not chasing validation anymore, you're chasing purpose. And that's not weakness, that's focus. And focus beats speed every single time. So don't shrink because your timeline looks different. Because while they were rushing to start, you were building the foundation to last. So you're not a late bloomer, you're the one who's going to outlast them all.